Hi everybody. So now in the previous two videos I showed you how to set up your seller and how to also upload the product on the seller platform. Now in this particular video I'm going to show you how to connect it to Telegram as well. Alright, so as you can see, this is the product that we created. I am on a dashboard. This is where you get it from. You click over here to dashboard over here, and that's what I'm looking at right now. Okay, but let's edit the product first because we want to connect it to Telegram. Alright, so let's go to product, and then let's see, all product. Okay, let's click on all product, and then you can see the product that we created. We only created one product, and so this is it. Let's come here, let's go to edit, and then we are going to have access to be able to make some changes to the product that we already created in the previous videos. So you can see everything over here. Now what I want to do is that we want to connect it from here all the way to Telegram. So let's click automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after a purchase. Now if you don't really understand what we are doing, kindly watch the previous two videos before you watch this, because this is the part 3 of those videos. So you can see it has given us a URL box over here to put in the website. So that means that we need to go to Telegram, and so I want you to click here and I want you to type Telegram PC, and then it's going to give us this. Let's click on desktop.telegram. Yeah, that's it. Click on it, and then it's going to give us get Telegram for PC. So click on it and then download it. Okay, once you click on it, it will download. I already have it. I have downloaded it and I have installed it as well, and so this is it. I installed it, and this is the interface it's giving me. Now guys, I want you to first and foremost also download Telegram for you on your phone as well. Once you download Telegram for your phone, it becomes much easier. Okay, download Telegram on your phone, and then I want you to sign in or sign up over there, and then you need an active number to do that. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. So download Telegram for your phone right now, and then let's continue. So if you have Telegram on your phone, I want you to go to click over here, start messaging. Alright, so you can see the process is giving you, it's telling you to go to your phone first, go to settings. So on your phone, the Telegram on your phone, go to settings. Alright, now it says I should go to devices. I'll scroll down and look for devices. Now guys, it's down there, but if you don't take care, you'll miss it. It's down there. Click on devices, and then go to link desktop. Okay, so there's a blue box over there, link desktop device. It's going to give you a code, a code reader. That's a QR code reader. Now I want you to put it on this QR code over here. It's going to resize by itself. Don't move your hand, just keep it steady, let it do what it has to do. Alright, so it's done reading it. Now I am logged into Telegram, so you can see all my stuff over here. Alright, you can see all my stuff over here. That's great. Now you have the Telegram on your desktop. Okay, so now let's create a new group. Let's go here, let's go to new group, and then let's name it let's just say Seth. Alright, or PSD trial. PSD trial, and then let me see, LJ. Alright, you need to add a person to the group first. Okay, so once you add a person to the group, it's like WhatsApp group. Once you add the person to the group, now you can go and then kick the person out, remove from group. Alright, so now the group is now created. I want you to do some few settings. I want you to go okay, still creating it. Still creating it. Alright, so let's go here, let's go to file, let's change the icon. Let's just say we are going to use this. You need to create an icon for it or something like that. Set photo. Alright, so it's done creating. You can see over here it's connected now. Alright, now the first thing I do is I like to go here. Alright, go to manage groups. That's where the settings are. Go to manage groups. Now guys, pay attention, this is very important. If you don't pay attention, you might miss the details. Now you can type over here, thank you for thank you for the purchase, um and then give a brief description of the product. All right. And maybe if you like to put your telephone number over there, or your, how people should reach you, your WhatsApp number over there, add it to it as well, so that people can, once they check the description, they know that they have this, how what they have to do once they encounter problems with your PSD. All right. And so that's it. Group type private. No, let's see. Let's keep it private. All right. Let's keep it private. Let's keep it private. Now over here, this is one of the links. This is the link you'll be using. All right, guys, this is the link you'll be using, but you also need to create a private link. What do I mean by private link? It means that that particular link is a link that you need to give people permission to join. All right, so if I am going to send a link directly to people, all right, if I'm going to send a link direct, please listen, guys. If you're going to send a link directly to a friend on WhatsApp or somewhere, or you want people to click on the link, you need to create a private link for that, a different link for that. This is a primary link. This link, you only use it on special occasion. All right, but if you are going to use it for seller, then use this link. All right, so that is what we are going to do now. Also, it says that restrict saving content. No, don't restrict it. The content shouldn't be restricted. Anybody that goes into the group should be able to make the purchase or download it. All right, so for here we are going to download this link for now. Click on it, and then let's go over here. Let's go to seller, and then let's paste it over here. Now the reason why I'm saying that people cannot see the link, once they click on it, they can't really see the link. You understand me? It's automatically leads them that they can't see the link. But if the person is going to see the link, chances are they can copy the link and forward it to their friends. And so what you have is that people are joining the group, and you have no control. You don't know who and who have made the purchase. All right, so they can't see the link because it's in Telegram, it's in seller, and they can't see the link. But if you're going to put it in a group where people can see the link, don't use this link. All right, guys, don't use this link. Okay, so click on save. Now let's also go to chat history for new members. All right, now we are going to use Visible. That way any new person that joins will see all the previous chats. You understand me? You want to, anytime you want to post stuff, people will join a month after, 2 months after, a year after, people will still be joining. You want them to be able to see the PSDs that you have uploaded, time past. That is what you have to do. So click on Visible. All right, so that anybody that joins you will be able to see the history of the group. So Visible over here. Topics, leave it like that. Restrictions, or restrict everything. You don't want people to be typing, else the group is going to be bogged down. Permission, let's see, permission, just take all the permissions to red. You don't like anybody sending messages or anything. Save, and then invite links. Okay, so you can see invite link over here. Click on it, so you can see invite link over here. Like I said, if you are going to send a link personally to somebody to make a purchase and pay, click over here, and then click on let's see, request admin approval. Yes, and then type maybe Momo. So when you send it to somebody, the person needs to pay Momo, and then it's added to the group. All right, so create. So you can see it over here, Momo. So this is the Momo. This is the Momo. All right, so this is the Momo. This thing. Once you copy it, the person will need admin approval for you to be able to do that. Click on done, and then so you can see we have two groups. We have this one is the public one. Once the person clicks on this link, automatically they enter the group. Once the person clicks on this particular link, the person will need admin approval. Click on done, and then administrators, members. That is all, guys. That is really all. All right, so let me go back to invite link, and then let me see YTDK. Let me see YTDK. All right, so that's the same thing. All right, so done, and then save. Now the group is prepped up for you to upload stuff, so you can upload your stuff. Now what I do is that if it's a bundle, what I do is that I make sure that I convert it to, or compress it to, what's it called, a WinRAR file or a zip file, a RAR file, like it, and then I upload it over there. But because this is just a single file, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag the two of them in there. So I'm going to drag this and this, just pull it in there, and then I'll just click on send. So you can see it's grouped nicely, and then it's uploading. So now we are done with the Telegram platform. All right, you want to click on update product. Great. And then you want to click over here. Let's see. This is awesome. This is great. This is great. Let's close this. And then alright, so it's still uploading. Alright, so now this is the page. Okay, so if somebody clicks on, now see, interesting, now the person can still go here and choose any currency that they want to purchase it. Okay, so you click over here on USD and it's going to convert to $300. Click on buy now. A person will put in their name, put in their email address, put in their what's it called, their telephone number as well, and then they click on pay now, and then they make the purchase. That is great. And once they make the purchase, automatically it's going to send them to Telegram without any admin approval, because you need to be able to make payment before the link is open to you. All right, so guys, remember, do not use the admin approval link for this. Use the link I showed you. Once the person clicks on it, automatically they'll be gone into the Telegram platform. So you realize that the Telegram keeps on growing. It means that people have automatically made a purchase, and so they are here. All right, so that is it. Thank you guys for watching this particular video. If you want me to make a video on how to make make a marketing ad on Facebook for you to promote your product, just send me a message on the platform, and then I will do that for you, because Seller does not really market it for you, especially if you are using the free version. Seller is not going to market it for you. It means you need to market your stuff. You need to have your own audience. You need to have people, your own clients. Okay, and so that is one of the most difficult part that I've had with Seller. That's one of the cons I have with them. All right, you need to market it yourself, and so there are many ways. So you need YouTube to market it, you need Facebook to market it, you need Instagram to market it. All right, if you want me to make a videos on that, kindly send your comments, and then I'll see what I can do about that. See you in the next video. I love you all. Peace.